Hey guys, welcome to another video from the Captain of All... Oh. Shoot. Anyway, my name is now... Well, my name for the YouTube channel that I am now doing has changed. It is not the Captain of All the Drones anymore. It is, well, Drones, Flights, and Reviews. So, yeah, guys, now I'm going to take up the cheerwing right here, which I have not flown for a very long time. And the reason I want to take it up today is because it's a little bit windy. Right now it is, let's see. So, I think, when I look at this, it looks backwards. It might be forwards to you. But it is 72. That is this one. The top one. It's 72 degrees outside. But it has been getting way colder. In the mornings, it's been like 42 degrees. And that is like, you can see your breath kind of weather. So, I'm going to fly this guy outside. Yeah, guys, let's head on outside and we'll get it all set. Okay, guys, so I'm outside now, and I'm going to plug in the wires. I'm actually on my launch pad right now. Well, the audio, my phone is on there. I'm gonna close up this hatch right there. I actually ripped off the little clip because the plastic is so flimsy, it just came right off. So now I'm gonna start the video on the drone. Here we go. Okay, guys, sorry, I accidentally didn't have the chip in the drone. Which is kind of unfortunate, so I'm going to start everything back up again. Here we will go. So I'm going to press the button, and it'll take off. So it is really windy. Yep, the battery's dead already. Don't know if it even got a full charge. But I will fly around. So yeah, that's our solar shed right there. And that is our garden. I'm going to go over and look at the cat. Yep, she's looking. She's like, what the heck? I'm trimming it a little bit. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. So guys, I'm going to land this guy on the launch pad. Oh, it always lands forward. And guys, I'm actually going to resume this Whoa! I'm actually going to resume this video. I'm going to recharge the battery for you guys so I can get a longer flight in. So, yeah guys, see you in the next clip. The battery's done charging, so I'm just going to quickly plug it in. Like, just finished 20 seconds ago. So I'm back out here, I'm going to plug it in, and we'll get flying this guy. Alright, it is fighting. Oh, this battery is horrible. It's dead again. Well, I mean, you can see. So yeah, guys, that's me. Wow, it is crazy. But, yeah, guys, that's me. You can see, you know. Whoa, we're getting kind of close to the grass there. Okay, I'm just going to leave it. I'm not touching the controls, and look at it. It's just being taken away by the wind. I'm just changing it in and out of headless mode. Woo! Big gust right there. Big gust. There's the house. So, yeah, all this footage that you see is all live. So, I'm going to now bring it down for a landing on this launch pad. And then I'm going to show you all the footage from today's flying from the sky. And then a bunch of other footage. And, oh, yay, landed it upright today. Yay. So, yeah, guys. Let me bring it up. So, yeah. Got all 3 cameras going. And, the controller is beeping. So, anyway, yeah, guys. So now I'm going to show you some footage from the cheerwing right there. And it is just going to be really cool. And then after that, we'll end this video. So, hey guys, enjoy the clips. So yeah, guys, like I said, the new name for my YouTube channel is Drones, Flights, and Reviews, and I will see you next time on Drone Flights and Reviews. So yeah, guys, have a good rest of your day, and sorry that I have not posted in probably a bunch of months. So yeah, guys, see you later. Bye.